UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson issued a chilling warning about that new strain of COVID-19. Johnson confirms that some evidence shows the variant, which is here in the U.S., could be more deadly than the original strain. Remember, we already knew it to be more infectious. Now some studies suggesting it is 30 to 70% more transmissible. California remains crushed by the unrelenting COVID crisis. Single-day deaths hit 736 on Thursday, surpassing California's previous record of 700 deaths, which, by the way, it had hit just last week. The numbers are a lagging indicator of a devastating holiday surge that has killed more than 18,000 Californians thus far and doubled the state's total death toll from the pandemic in less than 3 months. Joining me now is NBC's Scott Cohn in San Jose. Is there any sense, any sign here that the worst may be over?
The faintest glimmers of hope, Lindsay. Some of the numbers are starting to at least level off from that post-holiday surge. We're seeing hospitalization rates come down just a little bit, but now fewer than 20,000 people hospitalized in the state. But you have all these other issues. You mentioned the new variants, and we're seeing lots of new variants in this state and across the country, including at the hospital behind me, the Kaiser Permanente Medical Center here in San Jose. You may recall they had an outbreak here after Christmas, some 77 staff members and more than a dozen patients, and they do now believe that that was the result of one of the new strains of the coronavirus. They do believe that they have this outbreak under control, but it's what they're dealing with, and it's all the more reason, they say, that they need to get people vaccinated. They say here that they are ready if only they can get the vaccine.
We're constrained by the vaccine supply, and that really is a national level consideration and question. So the more that we can, invoke the Defense Production Act to get more vaccine supply to California and really all the states, to be quite honest, is going to be really important. I'm raising my hand. We are ready and willing to give more vaccine if it comes our way.
But California does not have the best track record thus far. The state has received a little more than 4 million doses of the vaccine, and fewer than 2 million have been administered. By one measure, that is dead last in the nation. Lindsay?
Well, let's hope those glimmers of hope grow a little bit there in California. NBC's Scott Cohn, thank you.